Hi everyone, I'm Wang Fugui's voice today, because he's too shy to speak. He says my accent sounds rougher than his, but let's be honest, that's just jealousy talking. So I'm forced to do the talking for him. If he messes up his words, don't blame me. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to take a walk along Auckland's most famous street, Queen Street. Wang Fugui just took the ferry from Devonport. The ferry ticket costs $7. This guy is super stingy, won't pay for a taxi, and too lazy to drive. But don't worry, he filmed some clips on the ferry, and he'll share them with you later. Enjoy some free background music while we wait to cross the street. He's too stingy to pay for real pop hits anyway. So, this cute little pedestrian square was rebuilt after COVID. On the left is Auckland's busiest train station, Devonport. On the right, shiny new shopping mall, full of food, fashion, and yes, beautiful people. And sometimes you'll even see street performers here too. But here's the thing, this used to be part of Queen Street. Every day, a coffee cart parked right here, selling cups for only $2.50. That was Wang Fugui's happy place. He'd come every single day for his cheap but tasty coffee. Now the cart is gone. The square looks nice, but poor Wang Fugui is sad. Not just because he lost his $2.50 coffee, but also because the pretty barista from McCoffee is gone too. Honestly, I think he misses her more than the coffee. Now we've arrived on Queen Street. But have you ever wondered, how many years of history does this street actually have? With Wang Fugui's level of education, there's no way he could know this answer. He must have quietly Googled it behind the scenes. Queen Street, Auckland's heartbeat since 1841. From a simple colonial road to a bustling city hub, over 180 years of history in every step. This street is lined with many international high-end fashion and luxury stores. Wang Fugui definitely can't afford them. Sometimes he just pretends he can, strolling inside to admire them. Of course, this street is also home to many New Zealand banks. Even though the guy is broke, sometimes he still has to stop by a bank to check his pitifully small savings. This street used to be wider. For some reason, the government decided to widen the sidewalks and reduce the road to just 2 lanes for traffic. It has made an outstanding contribution to downtown congestion. Wang Fugui feels too embarrassed to photograph other people, afraid of getting hit. So he just slips along the edges, trying to avoid capturing anyone. Wang Fugui once got fined over $100 while driving on Queen Street because of a very hidden sign that prohibited private cars from using that lane. This short stretch of road seems to generate tens or even hundreds of thousands for Auckland every year. Wang Fugui, of course, was really annoyed. This poor guy felt completely ripped off. But ever since then, this guy hasn't driven on that road again. He's just too scared of getting fined. Look, this guy's sneaking along the edge again, literally cracking me up. Now you can see up ahead, they're working really hard on road construction. Auckland is truly an extremely efficient city. This road has been under construction for about 8 years and they're still going. Well done. Most of the businesses on either side of the street have nearly closed down, but the ones that survive are definitely full of life. The place the camera just passed by is Auckland's Sky City Casino. Behind it is a building that was originally supposed to host the Apex Summit, but unfortunately it caught fire and was burned down. And that year, the meeting was apparently cancelled due to COVID. Sad. Many people think Auckland's economy has declined since COVID, and the city centre isn't as lively as before. A lot of people have even moved to Australia. But Wang Fugui firmly believes that New Zealand's future will be bright, because New Zealanders are hard-working, kind and honest. God bless New Zealand.